Thunderstorm Team Forecast with Carson Vickroy.
What a perfect transition to the weather. If we're trying to get active outdoors, Carson, what can we expect today?
Well, it's all about the vitamin D, right, Cynthia? And we've got plenty of sunshine in the area, so it shouldn't be a problem, but I do need to caution you. There is a potential of a couple showers and thunderstorms. I'll show you why here in just a second, but here's a live look in Nacogdoches. The bug is out just on top of that banner right there. Oh, he just crawled off. This is, of course, the top of the Fredonia Hotel. Now, we were showing you this morning how we were seeing clear skies. Well, that's no longer the case. We're getting better mixing, which means we have more instability, and voila. There are the clouds, and we're going to continue to see a few more showers and thunderstorms popping up, but most of East Texas is remaining dry. But once again, I've started to see a storm pop up on the northern fringe of Smith County. Now, this is between Winona and Big Sandy, probably along Highway 155 there. You can see how it's pulsed up, but now it's beginning to weaken. That's kind of how this afternoon is going to go, because we've got that deeper moisture from the Gulf of Mexico combined with all the warm air we have in the area right now, and you can get storms pretty quick, and they're very hard to predict exactly where they're going to form. So FUTURECAST by noontime, kind of like what we're seeing right now, just a couple bubble up showers and thunderstorms are likely, and then as we head into about 4-5 o'clock, we have more bubble up storms in the forecast, and this will continue on and off through at least the early evening. But by the time we get into 6, still have some daylight, still have some daytime heating left. But as the sun goes down, those storms will start to wind down in intensity as well. And by midnight, we're hardly dealing with anything at all. Maybe a little bit of fog tomorrow morning with the presence of high humidity and pretty warm temperatures as well. This is 11 o'clock. We're still going to have the cloud cover in the area, but drier air in the form of a southerly wind is on the way. So here are those temperatures right now. We are in the 80s and 90s at our last temperature check, already up to 83 in Tyler. It's 91 in Sulphur Springs, and I do expect a few lower 90s through the rest of the day. Now, we can handle the 90s here in Texas, right? What a lot of people don't like is the humidity, and the dew point temperature plays a factor in that. We are in the 60s and 70s, and that's not a lot of room between our regular air temperature and the dew point temperature. Anytime those are close together, we get more humidity here in East Texas. So main story of today is it's going to be warm. Some of us will see the storms, other of us will not, which means all of us here in East Texas have to be prepared for the possibility of rain. Low temperatures tonight are falling into the lower 70s, again, with those partly cloudy skies in play. And then by the time we get into tomorrow, I'm not predicting any rain for tomorrow afternoon. However, that could change because our weather pattern is very unstable and chaotic at this time of year. We have 90s through Saturday, more rain chances on the way for Sunday and Monday. Deep East Texas trends a little bit warmer than that. Lots of sunshine for Friday and Saturday before more rain arrives for your Father's Day. Cynthia?
Thanks, Carson. Up next.